Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Estonia. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and open the description and click on eSIM link and open voyafly.com and click on this. Where are you traveling to? Alright, click on this and write Estonia. Click on this, open new page and scroll down and choose data type, unlimited or fixed, and choose a speed plane, light, plus or premium. I recommend plus, maybe premium. Alright, and select days 30, 25, 1 day. Alright, click on 30 days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, open new page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply, and total price $150.25. This is very good price, and this service voyafly.com #1 for eSIM. Right, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment, billing address and click on buy now and buy eSIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.